Hi, I'm Libby Limon, nutritional therapist, here today at Raw Press to teach you how to make activated almond milk. Then we're going to use that almond milk to make almond latte with VITL vanilla greens. So to make this delicious recipe, all you need is almonds, sea salt, a date, and then we're going to use VITL greens, which is vanilla flavoured later to make our latte. So we're going to take the almonds, place them in a big bowl, and then we're going to add lots of filtered water. And a big pinch of salt. A little more for luck. And then what we're going to do is just leave them over here to soak for the night. And because we haven't got all night, here's one we made earlier. So these have been soaking overnight, and you can see that they've kind of got a lot of the brown skin has gone into the water. So that's the activating process. What we do, we talk about activating nuts, but what does that actually mean? So the brown skin of these nuts actually have something called an anti-nutrient, something called phytates. And while almonds are really high in magnesium, one of the highest natural foods of magnesium, if you eat an almond whole that hasn't been activated, the phytates bind to that magnesium and mean that your body can't absorb it. So this process where we soak them starts to germinate them, starts to increase the ability for your body to digest them. So that's why we're doing it. Okay, so we're going to take the nuts and we're going to drain them off. We're going to get rid of all this brown liquid and rinse them off with some fresh water. So just take them over to the sink, put them in a sieve. So I shall do that. Rinse them off. So now we've drained those, they're ready to go into our blender. So we're going to put them into the blender. Put that out of the way. Then we're going to add 4 times the amount of water. We're also going to add 1 date for a little bit of sweetness, taking the stone out. And then another just little pinch of salt for flavouring. So then, this is going to be the noisy bit. Put it on, and we're going to turn our Vitamix on. And then we turn it up to full power. So now we've whizzed up the almond milk. We need to get the pulp away from the milk. And to do that, we're going to drain it through. This is a nut milk bag, but you can use muslin. These are like super easily available in your kind of local health food store. So put it in a sieve, big up bowl underneath. And then we're just going to pour the mixture in. And you can see the beautiful activated almond milk already draining through. And then you can lift the bag up and just start to squeeze it out and get all of that goodness out. So squeeze that all out, and then we're going to discard that. So this almond pulp in here, you can actually dry out and then use it as almond flour if you're very conscientious. So we'll just put it over here in the sink for the moment. And there is our activated almond milk. So we've got our delicious almond milk. So now we're going to make a latte with it. So you could put this in your coffee, you could add matcha to it. Today we're going to use VITL green. So this is a green powder which has lots of maca powder in it, so it's super energizing, balancing for your hormones, but it's also delicious vanilla flavor. So it works really well in a latte. We're going to do it because even though we're in Raw Press, we're going to show you how you guys do it at home rather than with a fancy coffee machine. So this is from an espresso machine. It's the milk frother. You can also buy little hand whisks, heat the milk and then whisk it with a little hand whisk. Super easy. So we're just going to put our almond milk in. And then we're going to put our green powder in. And then this heats and throsts at the same time, so make life super easy. So it just takes about 30 seconds to heat up. It's doing its thing, frothing and heating. So all done now. So this is hot, frothed up. Just gonna pour it out into our latte cup. Hopefully get a nice bit of foam on there. Beautiful. And there you have it, our activated almond milk with Vital Greens latte. I hope you enjoy your Vital Vanilla Almond Latte. If you want to see more from Raw Press, remember to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.